In today's video, I have a peek at the Christmas, my favorite things kits that I have for the shop. Stay tuned for a look. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have the My Favorite Things kits. So these are using the boxes like I'm using in my November journal. So I'm just calling them the My Favorite Things kits. There's 2 Santa and then there's 2 snowman that are this size also. Okay, so 2 Santas and 2 snowman boxes. Their papers are a little bit different, but they're already packaged. They're already packaged up and I didn't want to undo them. So I'm going to show you this Santa kit, and then just know that the majority of the papers are the same, but your paper pad pages are different. Okay, so here we go. I love it. We have a vintage napkin. It only has the 1 image, but it's still really cool. Then we have, these are from one of my favorite wrapping papers, and you get 6 images from the wrapping paper. You get one of the doilies. These look vintage. They're not, but they look like it. I love it. My favorite guest check, which to me looks vintage, that writing. One of my favorite note papers. Okay, and this year's stickers, you get Merry and Bright. You get a set of trees. I love these. So you get Joy, Merry Christmas, Warm Wishes, and I love the colors and the shiny to it. You get one of the note papers from my mom and dad's stuff, and a little tag that I had made. And then you do get the Christmas wishes with the adorable deer and the Santa Believe card. Okay. And their envelopes, and you get one of these beautiful envelopes. An extra special wish for an extra special Christmas. I love that. Okay, and then you also get the tissue. You get 1 page of the snowflake tissue and 1 page with the Santa and the adorable deer, as well as the checkerboard paper. This is for lining baskets, but it works really well. I've used it. I used it in the Dollar Tree Christmas journal. So you get one of the popcorn bags like I used, and one of my favorite stickers for making stack of stickers. I also like to stamp on these. You get some reindeer games, a crossword puzzle. This is from a book. Everybody's Will Be Different. You get a couple of more doilies, and I did give you the one that looks like the snowflake with the wheels. I love that one. So then you also get a variety of papers. This one's a noisy paper, a green like construction type paper, and children's drawing paper. You also get this beautiful fun vintage cookbook page that is in the blue and the red. Now the Santa, this is your papers. Now as with the snowman, you'll get similar papers and they'll be these sizes, but they'll be different. Okay, so let's go ahead and check those out. So these are 6 by 12. And with the Santa, you get the cute little reindeer one like I have. You'll get 2 of the postcards. And so again, this is the Santa paper. You also get a piece of 8.5 by 11 parchment paper. And then you get the cutoffs for a couple pages. And you get Santa. And you get the top of Santa's stars. Okay? So that is that. This one that's a little bit bigger, that was the one like I used to make the pocket. So it's a little bit bigger so you can make the pocket. And now we'll go ahead and check out your fun things that come in your box. So I thought that would be really fun to go ahead and wrap the items, or put the items in the box. So here we go. So these are the items, and you get we'll go through that in a second, but you get cards and things like that. So you get some gold ribbon. It's about a yard. I divided them of what I had between the 4. You get 3 snowflake doily pieces. You get 3 washies. The Santa gets the red washi, and the Snowman gets a different washi, I think. So anyway, you do get 3. Everybody gets this one, this really vintage looking, and the green dots. And then your third one is a potluck. So, okay. And then some of this vintage lace that I got from Amore Fabriques. And then this piece from a pipe cleaner, and I thought you could make little wreaths out of this. So some green bling. I love this. This is one of my favorite Christmas things that I have in my stash, and it is vintage, and it is a lot of fun. So I'm excited to put that in here, as well as you guys have seen me use the vintage the vintage plastic holly. We have some red bling. We have this gold cord, and that was from the gift tags that you're going to see in here. You also get 2 of the stars, and you'll get some erasers that you can make into charms. And look at this adorable teddy bear. Isn't that cute? It's a button. And 3 bulb pins. Okay, so that is the ephemera part. And then this is the little cards. And again, this one is the one for the Santa. Okay, so Snowman, these cards will be different for the Snowman. Okay, but they're really fun. They're from the number page. And remember, I divided it up between the 3 different sets of kits. Okay, so there's that one. And then the Santa gets 2 of these Santa gift cards, and the Snowman gets 2 they look like antique images of snowmen. Okay, and then everybody gets these 3 tags. Everybody gets one of these cute little girls. Everybody gets a thankful and a blessed. Everybody gets a card, but it's different. Okay, so these will be different. The Santa has a stocking, the tree, and this cute one with Santa looking in the door. Okay, so the Santa gets those. You get a name card, and then everybody gets this set of tags. So there's your double tuck tags right there, taken care of. And you get 3 of the vintage Coca-Cola Santas. 3 of them. Cards. They're playing cards. Okay. So that is what is in this kit. There's 2 Santas and 2 snowmen, and you as a Patreon, you're seeing it first, and then it will go to the regular channel, and if there's any left, then this time, then they will be put into the Etsy shop. Okay, so there you go. In Patreon, your information about these is in the post. Okay, so I think these are really fun, and there you go. My favorite things, Christmas edition. And of course, I'm using it with my favorite Santa and Mrs. Claus digital kit. And I am really enjoying using that kit. So don't forget, if you are participating in the November challenge, if you use a Dear Julie digital, it does not have to count towards out of your 15. Okay? So these are all packaged and ready to ship. So there you go. I'll go ahead and put these away right after. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.